Hey guys, welcome back. So I've bought a new head unit, so I'm going to open it up and see what we've got. So here's the box. As you can see, it's got the logo Pumpkin. So I've got it from Pumpkin Autos, which is like a well-known UK head unit retailer. Right, so we've got the usual stuff. We've got the manual, you've got some leaflets, you've got all your cables, you've got all the other little bits and pieces like the canvas, GPS, radio, USB wires, etc. So here's the actual head unit. Compared to all the other head units, it's actually a lot better built, and it's a lot more heavier and chunkier. As you can see, it's a full 2 DIN, whereas the other cheap ones used to be, actually it used to be that way, it used to be a lot smaller. So I'm guessing this quality should be a lot better. At the back you can see all those little slots, and at the front you can see it's got a CD slot, got your knobs, 8-inch screen, you've got your buttons, you've got your reset button here, you've got your mic there, and other little bits here. You've got your GPS card, I think goes in here, and you've got an SD card holder here as well. So yeah, quite a lot of features on this one. What I'm going to do is head to the car, get it installed, and we'll go from there. So I'm in the car, I've got all the wires installed, I'm just doing all the checks, etc. before I put my dash back together again. So let's have a listen to how it sounds like. The world full up of impactive distractions, so we all lose focus. I think out loud what. So that's how it sounds like. Turn it off before I get copyrighted. The buttons on the steering wheels works. What's this? Mute works. Forward, back. Okay, so all the kind of like connectivity works out the box. I didn't have to set anything up in settings, so that's all working good. Let's have a look at the UI. So this is how it looks like out the box, and then you can add your like icons here. But if you want to see your main kind of icons in the app drawer, then that's what it looks like. So let's have a look at the car app, so the vehicle app. So that's all working. You can see all of that working. Let's give it a bit of a rev. You'll see the RPMs go up. So everything's all set up. I didn't have to, like I said, I didn't have to set anything up in the settings. It all kind of picked up my car details. Got your Play Store here that I can start downloading all the apps, get everything set up to my kind of like experience and how I want it. But overall, I'm happy with the way it's working, the way it looks. One thing I actually want to show you is, if I go back in here, is all the kind of like information that they said is all legit. So if I go to CPU Z, it does have a PX5 CPU, which is more powerful than the kind of Chinese ones that I had. Let's go into another area. So 720p pixels compared to the 600 I used to get. Got 4 GB of RAM. So yeah, this at the moment currently looks a lot snappier than my other head units. So I'm going to do like a thorough video on the stereo at a later stage, so I can get everything all set up. So I want to do a quick video so you guys can see how it looks like, and if you have any comments or anything that you want to specifically see, just write those comments down below. So there you go guys, this is what it looks like after it's all put together. So it's all kind of like flush, nothing sticking out, looking all good. So yeah, I'm going to end it here. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.